Hey guys, it's Eric with Scott Lower Marketing. So today I'm going to show you how to add your KW mobile app to your Command IDX site. So of course you're going to need the My KW, so make sure you're logged in there. I'm also logged into Command, and I just opened up a new tab and on Google and just search Iframe, free Iframe Generator, and I chose the first one that came up. Of course, if you have one that you're used to using or comfortable with, by all means use that one, but I'm going to use this one today. So you're going to go here into the My KW platform, and we're going to go hover over the home tab, and we're going to go down to Agent Website Admin. That's going to open up a new tab. We're going to need section 4.0, and in section 4.5 is where the mobile URL is that we're going to need today. So I'm just going to copy that here. I'll keep this open just in case we need it again, but we're going to now go over to the iframe generator. And as you can tell here where it says iframe URL, typically most websites have the HTTPS. This one, when you plug it in, you'll notice that the app doesn't have the S. I've noticed that if you don't add the S here, the generator doesn't generate the code properly, and it tends not to work fully. So just make sure you add the S there. I also make it a little larger just because I want to make sure that it covers the entire page of the website. If you're comfortable with all these settings or coding with iframe, by all means, you can tweak it or do whatever you need to do there. But I'm just going to make this 1800 for the width, and the height is going to be 1600. And then I can hit generate. It gives us our code that we're going to use to embed on the website. You can also preview it. It'll show you what it's going to use. So this is just basically the URL for the app, but it's in the code form. So we're going to go back to Command now, and we're on the main page of Command. I like to do that just to refresh things. I click on the KW here on the left-hand side. It expands your menu. You go down to Sites, and we're going to go over to Agent Sites. So this is where we're going to work on putting in the page. So we're going to, on the right-hand side here, click Create New Site Page. Of course, it's going to be on your agent site, so on my agent site. Click Create. It's going to bring up the page we're going to work with today. I like to rename it here. This is a name that you're going to see, and not the public, but just download my KW app. Okay, that's there. You have to choose one of these four widgets, so I'm going to choose the contact form. Right now, it's the one that makes sense for what we want to do today, so contact form is going to go in there. That's ready to go. Under content blocks, we're going to choose text. So drag text box over, and then we're going to go over to the iframe generator page and copy our code. You can either right click and copy or just copy it. And then we're going to just click here, double click. Sometimes it can be a little temperamental on me. Bear with me, there we go. So Control paste, or Command paste if you're on a Mac. So if you hit enter, nothing will happen. You don't want to configure it this way. You just want to make sure you highlight it, and it should activate it to, there we go. You want to highlight it and double click. And now you'll see that that's actually what's going to be loaded on your page. And then on the bottom, of course, you'll see your contact page. Now we can click on Configure Widget. And it's configured. So hit Done. And now we can go up here to Save Changes. So yes, we want to publish it to the agent site. That'll take us back to the My KW page. You'll see here that it's not active yet. We have a couple more steps, and then this will be active. So we're going to go over to Agent Site Settings here on the right-hand side in Command. At the bottom, we're going to go to Pages, and we're going to add a new page. Scroll down a little bit so you can see what I'm doing. Add Page. The name of the page is going to be Download My KW app. I just copy paste this over here. Forgot to delete that by mistake. So now that's working. SEO, you can put in here. I'm just going to put real estate search. If I could spell search, that would be great. There we go. So real estate search, of course, if you are comfortable with SEO, you can go crazy with that. We're going to click here on select page, and we're going to click on download my KW app because that's the page we prepared on the other screen. We're going to hit continue, and we're going to hit save. That's been saved. Now we can go test our work. So let's click on Agent Site Pages. right click on this so we can open it up on a new page. It'll bring up the KW IDX site. So here's my site. And in my menu bar, we should see where it says download my KW app. Click on there. And it did this to me a couple times. So let's see, it's not generating it. So let's go back to command. Let's click edit here. Hit edit. And the code, see how I didn't remember? So let's just go here to our code. That's why I didn't close it. And we're just gonna paste it, highlight it, and boom, there it is. Click save on the right-hand side. Yes, we wanna publish it. And we're gonna refresh this screen. And hopefully now, when we go here to right-click, open to a new window, hopefully our menu will load. So we'll go to menu, go to download my KW app, and there it is. Hope you enjoyed this tip and have a great day. Bye.